ungenza isikhathi ngicela ukubhekele mos. Hayi John. Hayi. Nabala abantu. Hayi. Mana ngibhekanga isikhathi. Hayi. Heyo. What's good guys? It's your boy Bafana Nontsiko. Mfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakatha umngane wakhe aloya. Tanko. Heyo guys, today's hot yo. So today's video I'm going to ask people's reason. If they get it correct, they are going to win 5 friends. You know what I'm saying? I know on the caption or on the subtitle I lied, but it's 5 friends. As you can see, the 10 rand and 5 friends. So I'm going to ask only 3 people. You know what I'm saying? So today's video is going to be short, but let's go. Let's get it. Please, if it's your first time here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I upload. So let's go. Let's get it. Word of the day.
Yeah, banna bese ukuthi ukuthi elangeni mhlawumbe usitshele ukuthi uma umuntu ukuthi empilweni uzofunani yabona and then langa lelo uachieve amagoli
I beg guys, so I'm going to do it now. Isai. Hi, Isai. Alufu Isai na. Isai jo. Awangena. I'm going to ask him, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to ask him this result. If you get it correct, he's going to win this 5 rand. Let me show you. He's going to win this one. But I think he's not serious, so let's try him. I don't know. I beg guys, so now Joe. Bo. It is if we told correct, if we told correct, we told her 5 rand.
Yeah.
You win 5 rand.
Uza.
You win 5 rand. Ne?
Ngiba.
Yeah, ibambe. Bam phone. I-check like ibheke.
Nilay.
Yeah, ibheke nje. Ibheke. Uyayibona uqedile usho. Sharp. Okay. Skatban. Skatban. If we told correct yakho le 5 rand.
252.
252.
Yeah.
1452.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong. 1436. 1436. Uluzile so zayenza omunye. I beg guys, so ashomo. Enjoy. Bo, ngithwele lezi. Bo, onke ikra right ku 5 rand tashi. Ngitswa. Tashi yako ngaya. Babona ukuthi babona.
Nabala bantu. Wabulile bona.
Okay, tshwara bya.
Oh, sengibambile. Nabala bantu.
Lebella phone. Lebelle.
Ngiphendule.
Ibheke phone.
Ongibheke phone.
Ngiyayibheke le.
Ngibhekile.
Ibheke.
Uzowisa nawe into zabelungu lezi phela.
Yeah, sure. Wayibona ke?
Ngiyayibona. Sure 100%.
Ushapa.
100 kunga.
Kena ngoma.
Man, ethi ngibona.
Hayi, kena ngoma.
Oh, ngikhohle isikhathi.
Yeah, ngizuluzise.
Hayi. Ungenza isikhathi ngicela ukubhekele mos.
Hayi George.
Ah,
Hayi. So wena manje.
nabala bantu mara ngibheka isikhathi
Uluzisa hayi. Hayi. Mina bamba so mina.
Fokumisa
Mbamba so umuntu uhleka mina.
nabala bantu
Hamba lapho. Uluzisa ke challenge kuyina mabango ngakho. Uluzise bra. Uluzise bra. Ubantu kontrana uluzise.
nabala bantu nababona yes abavelisa
Sure,
baphetha squisha
Big guys so ngiphethe umunye. Ejo. Ngiyokubuza erezini ne. Yeah. Kwangithola correct win 5 rand. Sure. And so far akekho uwinning. So maybe ngaba ukucala so ibamba nayi. Komuntu yakho bakhombe yakho ecofe njalo. So nayi nayi phone yabo. Ibag ziphi isikhathi ibag ijikise uyibhele ifoni njalo nje ibag
Yayibona general. Sure.
ibag like ibag nje
Yeah, ngibele yo.
sure uyayibona okay isikhathi bani
Manje
yeah isikhathi bani wayithola isikhathi ukuthi
4:30.
4 bani
Eh?
4 bani
31.
31 okay yeah
4:30.
4:30
Yeah.
4:30
Or 4:32.
yeah
Remember?
Ibembe.
Puti.
You are back, guys. So, if you are enjoying the video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click notification bell so that I can be more encouraged to drop more videos. You know what I'm saying? So please, guys, do that. Let's get another ones and let's rock. Let's go. Let's get it. My heart is so broken. So far, I lost 5 rand. Oh, 5 rand, bro. I'm only left with 10 rand. Let me show you. My bad. 10 rand, bro. So let's get another one. Let's go. Let's get it. I beg, guys. So I have another one. So let's try it on it. If correct. Ina 5 rand. Ne. Ina 5 rand ke re so ka o butsisa shi wa bona ke re tshwara. Yeah. Level like tsana go o tla mpotso feditse. Level to otlhe. Feditse. Sure. Feditse again. Okay, so Get over, ma. Get over. Ay, que se chalta. She lost. Get over, ma.
Yo.
Pallet. Get over, ma. 20 past 5.
Sure.
20 past 5. O pallet, kompotse ke o file phone ka re lebella phone.
Aka light.
Wena, ku file na go tla re tla mpotso le shapo.
Aka light.
Uluzitse. So uluzitse 5 rand though. So I beg, guys. So I have another one is a ilanga nje. Mina challenge. When so bro. So ngibuze rezele. No ngayithola correct win 5 rand. 5 rand. But at 5 rand nanoma ungahleki ishapho ngozi.
Hayi baba.
Iridlile monga win 35 rand ba. Ngozi bambe. Ne. Hayibo nayifo. Uyayibona ibheke. Ibheke. Yeah, noma ngayi like ibheke ukuthi njani. Everything ibheke. Uyayibona? Yeah. Uyayibona? Usho ibonile. Usho.
Yeah.
Nama wallpaper.
Yeah.
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 Sure. Skatban. Let Mariam.
Yeah.
Let Mariam.
Ah.
Skatban.
2 minutes to 5.
2 minutes to 5.
Yeah.
Let's go. 10 to 5. So uluzile nalo. Manje mseseseyile.
Ah.
Ngibuze i-redline.
Yeah.
Bonga ithola right ijacket there yakho. Ngisho awudibe sidala ngibabuza mina umuntu ewinile utheko. Abantu abaningidala bayi yeah so. Ngiyayifuna. I-check nje ibheke like ibheke. Ibheke nje ibheke uziphi isikhathi uzangitshela mawucedile la.
Yaspan.
Ngiyabona semuvi uyibhekile. Sharp bamba ithandani leso if uyithole right yakho isikhathi bani isikhathi bani
No.
yeah isikhathi bani
7 minutes to 6.
7 minutes to 6 ayi yeah uthole right hey Joe
So that
huh bayaya emihleni nje. That was the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. So, and comment down below what kind of video more should I do. So that was the end of the video, guys. Please, I appreciate the authority. I'm good. Ash, not bang to me. Thank you.